Welcome back to Squawk. I'm Bruce Whitfield. Icasa has authorised TopTV to broadcast dirty movies. The people clamouring, 3 of them, for the new set-top boxes, but they've also dismissed objectors to TopTV's application to host porn on the basis that they only argued on moral grounds and not on scientific grounds. Icasa stated that there was no basis or law for the rejection of TopTV's application. In 2006, the dirty movie industry revenue was around over $13 billion, and it made porn bigger than the NFL, the NBA, and the major baseball league combined. So porn is certainly a big industry. I'm sure it's a big employer, and it's also very significant in markets, but it's stuck in many South Africans' throats is the idea that dirty movies could be beamed into lounges. However, since that big breakthrough came through, didn't it, there have been bidders for TopTV falling over themselves to get hold of it. Pure coincidence, I suspect, Chris Gilmore. But yeah, in the market for a dirty movie channel?
No, I don't think so at all. I think what this...
No, not us, Puritans.
No, absolutely not. I think what this comes down to, Bruce, is the fact that DSTV, love them or hate them, have got pretty much the content wrapped up. Now, content out there...
Well, the content you'll show your children wrapped up.
Well, yes. Across the board.
Yeah.
You know? TopTV, in my opinion, has really struggled to get anything like the kind of content that DSTV has got. So maybe this rush into porn is a tacit admission that they can't get the kind of other kind.
Admission, yeah.
It's a bit of desperation stakes, I think is what it is.
But suddenly, in the last week, you've had Given Macari putting a bid and getting multi-choice money, saying we'll put 500 million rand on the table. Yeah. Multi-choice has given it to us to buy TopTV. Chinese investors have come in and said no, actually we'll get it. And Star TV, I think it is in China, it seems to have won that particular battle, although it may go to the court still. Suddenly, people are clamouring for this particular asset. Bizarre.
Yeah, it certainly was something that was struggling, you know, from a financial point of view, and then, as I say, suddenly comes into its own because, you know, we can sit and pontificate and all morals and all the rest of it, but at the end of the day, the reality is that there's going to be quite a lot of people that would be
quite enticed,
and I certainly would think that customer service at DSTV is one of those things that wouldn't take much to push, into another platform.
You're saying DSTV's customer service is rubbish, and people are getting tired of rubbish service from DSTV and will happily switch if the offering is good enough. Come on, let's put plain language.
Yeah, that's the less polite way, I suppose, of putting it. That's...
Sorry, Imtiaz. Sorry, yes. Yeah. Imtiaz Patel's the chief executive of DSTV, of MultiChoice. He gets very grumpy when we say bad things about his customer service.
I think they have tried a lot harder in the last 2 or 3 years. Last 2 years, if you like, but
it's a reactive response. Whenever TopTV has looked like it might be getting something useful going on, they've responded with a tweak here and a little bit of a give here and a bit of a...
So they've certainly broadened their offering, which I think has been great, and so it's not entirely bad. But as I say, there is some. Let's not go there specifically. But the point is that TopTV now has an offering that I think will attract people.
It will attract people, and certainly it's attracted investors and needs new capital. And good luck to them, quite frankly, because a bit of competition is better than none, regardless of what you think about the broadening of the offering or any other thing along.